save it. We are on our way. Look! The egg! The egg is falling! The egg is rolling into a hole. Grab the egg. Look up there. The egg is up in the air. Catch the egg. We saved the egg. The egg is hatching. A baby eagle. A mummy eagle. Our work here is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. And for more Wonder Pets stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist.